Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, June 15th. Time is around 6:30 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Oanda platform. So here we see the 4-hour chart. On weekdays, I analyze the lower time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes. And in the weekend, I analyze the higher time frame, weekly and daily. And so in my weekend video, I told you that I'm expecting a pullback in the higher time frame. But I also said that, in the lower time frame, we can see more upside, and this is actually what is happening right now. So I I told you this would be my wave 3 high, because this RSI looked way too strong to end as a wave 5, and indeed we took out this high yesterday, which means it cannot be a wave 5. It should be at least a wave 3. And so now it looks like we are doing our wave 5. So yeah, technically it could be finished here, in the sense that we took out this high and we are ending with divergence. Yeah, so technically this could be our high and we could start to return from here, but this is not what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a bit more upside here. This structure looks incomplete. So far, we only have like, let's say 3 swings, 1, 2, 3. And yeah, an impulse needs 5 swings, and so this 3 swings is rated for a corrective structure. This does not look like an impulse structure, although you can always force it in some sense. Like if we look at the 1 hour, you could do like something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have your 5 swings. But this does not really look like a good count. It's a scenario that I share with you, but it's not my primary scenario. My primary scenario rater looks like like this actually. So we have our wave 3 here, then we had our A, B, C, or wave 4 down, and now we are doing a wave 5 up, and this looks incomplete. I think this looks like a better count: 1, 2, and we are now doing our wave 3. So we are approaching our target. I think this box was on my chart for 4 or 5 days now. I do not exactly remember, but I told you this would be the target of our wave 3, and we are we are getting there. So this shows how beautiful technical analysis and especially Elliott wave analysis is. Um, it's a great tool for trading and investing. Okay, so what to expect from from here? So yeah, this area, for people who missed my earlier videos, is your equal leg area from the wave 1 and the wave 2. So here between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension. So normally we should penetrate this area, and if we do, this is an area where you can initiate a short. What you have to see is 5 waves up that end with divergence. So from here, actually, so I think we better zoom in. So for today, I see I see two trades, a long and a short. Let's zoom in to the 15 minutes. So this here is our target area for the higher degree wave tree. So now we have to focus here on this structure. When will this structure? So we can only initiate a short if this structure is complete. Now the main question is it complete here? I don't think so. On the 15 minutes, this looks quite strong. This is normally not how a wave 5 ends. So I would rather label this as a wave 3 actually. However, on the 1 hour, yeah, we see some divergence here compared to this high. So it could also be 1, 2, 3, 4, and that this is the 5. Could be, but it looks better like this. This would be my primary scenario actually. And so what can we do then? So there is a possibility, I think, to enter your wave 4. So after a wave 4 pullback, going long for your wave 5 into this area. This is one trade that could play out today, but I have to tell you, if we really zoom in, could also be that our wave 4 is already in here. The reason that this could be possible is that we had kind of an RSI reset here. This is typically what happens in the wave 4. And actually, we also have already an ABC structure, like A, B, C. And it's again really a beautiful example. Look at this reaction. So, or wave A, or wave B, and look, perfect reaction from the 1.618 FIP extension. There, buyers stepped in again and pushed it up all the way, pushed it all the way up again. All the way. I mean, there is a reaction. We have to see if it will hold. It can also be like this would be rather a short wave 4. It could also be that we see something like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, something like this, and somewhere here, and then from there you can go long. Like if we take out this low, you rather have to do it like this. So then this becomes your A or your W, this becomes your B or your X, and then the area to go long would be here. So yeah, let's see if we, how deep is this retracement? Yeah, this is for the DAX, this is possible. Yeah. So if we see, so if you see some kind of ABC here, it can be your wave 4, and then this would be an area to go long again for your wave 5. But I'm telling you, can also be that the wave 5 was in here, and then then you need to be careful here. Like you can go long in the area, but if you see that it is too impulsive, there will be reaction, but it's a matter of immediately, like as soon as there is some separation between your entry and and the price, you move your stop loss to be sure that that your trade is protected, and then see if it holds. If it does not hold, okay, it is what it is. Then you're stopped out without any loss. So this is something I'm watching today, and then yeah, also the short trade from this area. But this will, if we still have to do a wave 4, then this will probably for tomorrow. But the wave 4 can also be in here. And then what I would like to see is another high here into this area that ends with divergence compared to this high here. So a new high that ends with divergence somewhere here. This is what I would like to see to initiate a short. And then one more thing, we are of course in we reached a resistance zone. We are close to this wave 3 target. So yeah, this can also play out something like this, but again, then we have a wave 4 here in the higher degree. So I'm expecting a reaction from this area. I think here, if we take out this low, buyers should step in again for another push higher. Okay, so that's my analysis for today. I see two possibilities: a short and a long, depending on what the market gives us. But yeah, it's a matter of continuous interpretation of data. Like I said, here it's very important that you see divergence, because don't forget the main direction is bullish. So if you take a short here, you're trading against the main direction. So you really need to see divergence. You cannot enter blindly here, because if it is a wave through 3, it can it can extend as much as it wants. Here I would expect reaction anyway. I think we will find buyers here in this area. The structure looks incomplete. The main direction is bullish. But yeah, like I said at the beginning of my video, everything now is here to have a wave 5. Like I told you, like there is divergence in the 4 hour. So the wave 5 could be in. Let's see. Okay, that's my analysis for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day, and see you tomorrow for another video. Bye bye.